My name is Firdaus Najafi. I'm from Sweden. This Home Business Summit was an incredible event. One thing that really made me go forward was one sentence which says, "If you can't, you must."
I'm Carolina, I'm from Chile, and I'm here at the Home Business Summit in San Diego. It's my first time in the US, and it's been an amazing experience. I'm very happy that I decided to come here. The community, the people, Matt Lloyd himself, it's just an experience that changes a life. That's what Mob does. Every event like this changes your life a little bit.
I'm Terry Lamb from Northern Virginia. I'm here at the Home Business Summit in San Diego. It's so important to come and meet people face to face, because the moment they're able to put a face to a name and that you become a real person in an opportunity and not hidden behind the computer, that's when things really change for you. Here I am at these events and people will come up to me and literally actually know my name. And that's a big change. My list is literally, my email list, my customer list has literally tripled in just about a 9-month period from coming to events, because people are now paying attention to you.
My name is John Chow and I'm from Vancouver, Canada. Right now I'm here in San Diego for the Home Business Summit. It's an event that will change your life, and it has certainly made a positive impact in mine.
My name is Ruben Limon. I'm from San Diego, California, and what I think about the Home Business Summit here in San Diego is, one, well, I didn't have to drive very far, and two, the speakers here are really great. It's not a sell-a-thon like I've been to other events where every single speaker sells you on their product. All the speakers here just came to provide value, and they gave away a lot of their best content, a lot of their best secrets and strategies and techniques for Facebook marketing and how to talk to people and how to send out emails. So that's what I love about this event.
Melissa Warner. I'm from Pismo Beach, California, and I'm in beautiful San Diego, California at the Home Business Summit with Matt Lloyd. It's an incredible event. I love it. I can't wait to go to the next one. And I've got nothing but content from every speaker that's been on stage, and we've had a lot of speakers over the last 2 days. So it's all something I can implement. It's not just people talking about their successes. They're actually teaching us things that we can use. It's incredible. I love it. And the people are fantastic. Matt Lloyd's so sincere, and he really just wants to help everybody. And so does the community. So I love it.
I'm Deborah Robertson, and I am from Covington, Georgia, and I'm here in beautiful San Diego, California at the Home Business Summit. And this has been an awesome event. You get a lot of marketing strategies and tips. You get a lot of secrets that the experts in the industry, those who are making the kind of income that you really want to make, are sharing. You're able to find out what's working and what's not working. What I really like about this event, though, that Matt does, is this industry is always changing, and Matt has the latest of what's working in the industry. So if you're not here at this event, then be sure that you get to the next event.
Lauren from California, here at the Home Business Summit in San Diego. What a great event with great people. I'm excited to be here. I'm learning tons. I'm learning some new skill sets to be able to add to my marketing. So if you're not here, you need to get here.